Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. I am Vishaka Thakur and you are watching the Coin Monitor. Cryptocurrencies extend for Tuesday as investors awaited a slew of blue chip earnings, including consumer brands and technology companies. The upcoming Federal Reserve policy meeting outcome tomorrow also added to heightened nervousness among investors, forcing Bitcoin to fluctuate near $21,087. CryptoWire's IC15 benchmark fell over 5.5% to around 29,300. Cryptocurrency market capitalization slipped below $1 trillion as $40 billion worth of funds exited in the past 24 hours. Bitcoin was trading at $21,100, down over 4.2%. It was less than a week ago when the biggest cryptocurrency tapped a 40-day peak of over $24,000. However, Tesla's sale of 75% of its Bitcoin stash sowed sentiment, though the asset has managed to hold to its key support level, analysts said. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down 8.5%, trading at $1,411, owing to lack of larger retail and institutional support. US stock futures edged lower ahead of the release of key earnings as investors keep a close watch on the company's response to ongoing economic uncertainty. As many as 169 companies, amounting to nearly half of the S&P 500's market capitalization, will be releasing their quarterly results this week. The US Fed is expected to result in a 0.75 percentage point rate hike, with focus turning to the future trajectory of rate hikes. Binance BNB was down 5.4% to trade at $243. Ripple XRP token traded at $0.33, down by 4.43%. Cardano's ADA token was down by 5.5% to trade at $0.47 amid a drop in trading volume. The token has weakened by over 1.5% against Bitcoin. However, the outlook on the coin remains fairly positive, analysts said. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $20.7 at 7.09% lower. Shiba Inu was trading down by 7.7% at $0.00001048. Polkadot was down by 6.7% to trade at $6.7. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading lower by 5.5% at $0.061. Polygon Matic fell 9.1% to trade at $0.75. Last in the list, Solana Sol was down 8.5% and was trading at $35.65. Now we have our technical expert Ayushi Verma, who will guide us more about the technical perspective. Welcome to Crypto TV, Ayushi.
So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. So currently, if you look at the daily chart of Bitcoin, you can see that we have got a good fall yesterday. So it was around, I think, 6% or so. Yes, so 6% the Bitcoin fell down, and today it is like 1%, slightly 1% down today. Now, interestingly, what you can see here, just look at this particular trend line, right? So this is the upward trend line and the price is still holding up this level. However, the price is coming downwards and it's trading below than this particular resistance area. But still, if you consider this particular trend line, you can see the price is still trading higher than that. So this is something which looks little interesting, which looks little promising, that the price might go upside. Okay, why? Because look at here, every time the price is creating the higher lows. See, this is happening because there is a clear lack of momentum from the buyers and sellers in the market. So the trading activity is not happening much, right? So one day you will see a good candle, green candle, or another day you will see a red candle. So the direction is not clear much, and that's the reason, because of the lack of trading activity, that's the reason it's happening like this. So what you need to see today, because it's the price is at a very, very interesting level. If the price closes below then this trend line, again we will see that the price will fall from here and the price wasn't able to sustain this 22,600 level. And if today the price close higher than this particular trend line, you will definitely see that immediately the price will come back to 22,600. So that is something which is looking interesting. And as of now, by just looking at the candle, by just looking at the volumes, you can see that looks like by the end of the day you will get a close higher than this. But again, don't forget that we are having a good trading activity time in the evening session, so we need to just look at that evening session, and then we might able to get more clarity on the trend. So this is something we just need to look at here, and we can take a support at 20,000, and we can take up a resistance at 22,600. And for the Ethereum, you can just see the same situation. It was down by 10% yesterday. Yes, so it was down by 10% yesterday, and we were very, like we were getting a good confirmation that the price before yesterday was trading higher than 1510 resistance. But now, since the price closes below than this, and today also the price is down by I think 1.5%. So you can just consider 1510 as the resistance. Earlier it used to be the support area prior to yesterday's trading, and also you can just take up a support at 1215. So this is for the for the Ethereum. But one more thing, you can see that if let's say the price falls more, so we need to just see that whether the price will able to take up a support at this particular trend line or not. So if that happens, you will again get a confirmation that okay, this might be a small correction for this particular upside movement. So that might be a small correction, and again the price will go up. So that is something we need to see, and for that we need to have some more good trading activity, trading volumes as well. So this was for the Ethereum. And looking for the IC15 chart, so this is the IC15 chart, and the same situation is there. So here also the price is just trading higher than the trend line, as well as this particular resistance area. Just a second. So okay, all right. Okay, so now just look at here, the price it was trading higher than this area. Give me a second. So we just need to wait for a few seconds. It takes time basically. Okay, now just look at here, look at this candle. This was a very interesting candle, very good candle if you talk about the breakout, and that happens. And after that the price was just hovering around at the resistance level of 32,560, and yet today it is down by it's down by around 3.5%. So again the closing still remaining, and the market is open, so we just need to get the closing price. And if the closing price happens to be below than the resistance, we will see that the price will see a level of 29,360 as well, because that is acting as a support area. So this is the IC15 is completely dependent upon the performance of the especially on the Bitcoin and Ethereum's on the top 15 cryptocurrencies. So if these cryptocurrencies will fall further, you will see fall in this index as well. And if the price stabilizes somewhere of the top 15 cryptocurrencies, you will see that it will behave exactly like that. So yes, you can just be aware, or just look at the Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you will get a more clarity for the IC15 as well. So I think this is all for today.